Now this is a Penn Central Railroad swing bridge. Now this is a girder swing span crossing Choptank River located in Denton, Maryland. Now this bridge is abandoned, and left in this swung open position for boats. It's not used for train traffic any longer. It used to swing closed for rail traffic. So this bridge is abandoned. So and the Maryland got a lot of drawbridges. So now and you see that Denton, have like about a couple of drawbridges, but not as much though. But this span bridge is abandoned, located in Denton, Maryland, crossing the Choptank River.